Do you know that?
20 interesting facts about ears.
Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Do you know that?
First metered taxi was introduced in 1907.
Do you know that?
The Chinese used fingerprint as a method of identification as far back as AD 700.
Do you know that?
Cars was first started with ignition keys in 1949.
Do you know that?
The lie detector was invented in 1921.
Do you know that?
The drinking straw was invented in 1886.
Do you know that?
Artificial Christmas trees have outsold real ones every year since 1991.
Do you know that?
Diet Coke was introduced in 1982.
Do you know that?
Originally in 1886, Coca-Cola was introduced as an intellectual beverage to boost brain power.
Do you know that?
The frozen foods were first introduced in the 1920s.
Do you know that?
The first Burger King was opened in Florida, Miami in 1954.
Do you know that?
In 1878, the first telephone book made contained only 50 names.
Do you know that?
The naming of tropical storms and hurricanes officially began in 1953.
Do you know that?
Madonna and Michael Jackson were both born in 1958.
Do you know that?
Halley's Comet passes the Earth every 76 years. The next time it will return will be 2062.
Do you know that?
The Olympic flag was designed in 1913.
Do you know that?
The electric toothbrush was invented in 1939.
Do you know that?
The doorbell was invented in 1831.
Do you know that?
The first English dictionary was written in 1755.
Do you know that?
The tea bag was invented in 1908.
Do you know that?
Plastic bottles were first used for soft drinks in 1970.
Do you know that?
The dollar sign was introduced in 1788.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the videos, comment on the videos, share the videos.
All the content used was searched from google.com. All the images used in the video are taken from pexels.com and unsplash.com. And big thanks to all whose image has been used in the making of video. And sorry, not able to use individual names on the video. Thanks once again.